In this video, we're going to take a look at how ActiveState can help make your AI agents more secure. In this video, we will cover the integration with Cursor Chat. In this example, we're only going to have one component in our requirements.txt. We're looking specifically at cryptography version 38.0.1. And we're going to have some pretty simple boilerplate code for that component. We're going to use the skill secure to enable this interaction. The first thing that this skill is going to do is ask to run the main.py file. We want to make sure that everything is working before any changes are made. Next, it asks to read the requirements.txt file and check each component against the ActiveState Curated Catalog for known CVEs. We can see here that cryptography 38.0.1 has a total of 13 CVEs, the most severe of which is a high CVE. This also makes the recommendation that we upgrade to version 46.0.6. In response to the question of whether or not we would like to get these fixes, we're going to go ahead and say yes. The first thing it does is install the new version of cryptography. We allow it to do that, and then it asks to make changes to the requirements.txt file, which it does. Next, it asks to run the main.py file another time to make sure that things are still operating as expected. And finally, it gives us a summary of what has changed, reflecting the CVE-free version of our program.